Hey everyone, this is Jackie from GemLightbox. We're here at the AGTA show 2023 and I'm with Kas from Kas A Designs and they're located in Jefferson City, Missouri. So Kas, what do you like about the GemLightbox Pro?
I love GemLightbox. It is the easiest way to take high quality photographs with ease and simplicity. And I'm on my second machine. I went up into the GemLightbox Pro from the regular GemLightbox because it has more lighting features that are great with the colored gemstones, but it's the ease of the photographs and we can download them easily. And now the Pro takes 4 different images from one turntable shot, and it's so easy and such high quality. I recommend it to anyone.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Kas. Always a pleasure.
Yep.
Thank you.